Okay, right now my seed's down. I'm rolling it in now. I went with, we're a little over 3.5 pounds. Actually, no, it was closer to 4.5 pounds of the KBG because it was coated and there weren't any instructions on the bag, and typically it's a 3-pound deal, but I kind of added 50% more to that just in case due to the coating, because the coating is 50%, and I do have about 4.5 pounds of it left, so ample opportunity to fix any washouts, bare spots, things like that. Also put down about 2 pounds per thousand of the regenerating perennial ryegrass. So let's finish rolling this crap. I'm on hour 14 or 15 so far today. Oh yeah, now I need to put some peat moss down, but I have to check the directions. I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of those new Greene County Fertilizer N-Ext seed starter packs. So I need to make sure I do everything in the right order. The first thing you do with these is you do like an RGS and an aerate mixture a couple days before, and you put that down. That's just to kind of get extra humic and all the good stuff into the soil and just help start conditioning that. So let's take a look at the instructions and we're gonna see what's next, peat moss or this. And I gotta do tenacity too, so I gotta figure out how all that goes in there. I did the aerate and the RGS. That's actually step 1. Step 2, or part B of step 1, would also be putting down some humic 12 and microgreen 002, but I don't have those, so oh well, I skipped that. And now for step 2, you put this down according to the directions immediately after seeding, and we're going to be using, I want to say it was 12 ounces of GreenePop per 1,000. 3 ounces of RGS per 1,000. I'm working with about 1,350, 1,400 square feet, so I'm probably going to do about 14-ish ounces of this and about 4 ounces of that, using it in the ortho sprayer. They do not recommend using a backpack sprayer, mainly because of what's in here. You could burn your stuff, and it needs a certain water ratio, recommended at 20:1. So I will be putting in the required amounts, topping it off, and then going to town with the ortho. So let's get going with that.
You drink all your beers today. You better get home. You won't have any beer if you don't get home. How's that? You won't get home, you won't have no beer. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. My sixth beer. Sixth one. You got one beer left. One. I'm gonna save you one beer.